Unlock powerful insights into market direction and potential turning points with Tradingview's regression indicator. First, let's add the regression indicator to our Tradingview chart. Navigate to the Indicators panel, often found at the top of your chart. Type linear regression into the search bar and select it from the available options. You'll see a trendline overlaid on your price action. This trendline represents the best fit line through your price data over a specified period. The key setting here is the length or period. This determines how many past data points the indicator analyzes. A shorter length will make the regression line more responsive to recent price action, while a longer length will smooth out fluctuations and highlight the longer-term trend. Now, let's interpret what this tells us. When the price is consistently trading above the regression line, it suggests a strong uptrend. The regression line acts as dynamic support. Look for the price to bounce off this line as confirmation of the trend's continuation. Conversely, when the price is trading below the regression line, it indicates a downtrend. The regression line now acts as dynamic resistance, consistently bouncing off this line from above reinforces the bearish sentiment. The real magic happens when we look for divergences. If the price starts making new highs, but the regression line fails to follow suit, or even starts to slope downwards, this is a strong signal that the uptrend might be weakening and a reversal could be imminent. Similarly, in a downtrend, if the price makes new lows, but the regression line starts to flatten or turn upwards, watch for potential reversals. Combine this with traditional candlestick patterns or other momentum indicators for higher probability trading signals. You can even add multiple regression indicators with different lengths to get a multi-timeframe perspective. This helps you understand the broader trend while also spotting shorter-term opportunities. Master the regression indicator, and you'll be making more data-driven trading decisions informed by statistical analysis and clear trendline projections.